Hello, welcome to our design solution. This is Yogesh. Today we are going to design the spinner as you are seeing now in a nx-cad. Let us start with the part design. Now we are going to design the part 1. For that one we need to click on new, put as a model, then click OK. Then try to select the extrude command and then select the top view. It is automatically converted into 2D view. Then try to draw the one circle. With dia 45 or 35. Close it and make it 0 this distance and make it 25, make it 30. Close it. Now we need to select the pattern curve command and select the circle here as count on space. It has 3. Perfect. Apply. Then try to draw the another 3 circles. Make it these 2 circles are tangent and also this one also. It means increase the now try to make it tangent. And here also tangent and put as a diameter 45. Close it and same as it is. Try to mirror this circle. Select the mirror command, select the center point, click OK and try to make it tangent for this. Again we need to draw the another circle for here. Make it tangent for this one also and put as a diameter 45. Now try to trim the unnecessary lines. Select the quick trim. Then try to exit from workbench up to 10. Apply. Now we need to select the chamfer command, make it 3 mm. Apply. Again here also. Okay, perfect. And now we need to select the extrude command. Try to select this one surface of the part. Now we need to draw the circles with dia 30, RS 25. Close it. Now try to draw the another circle with dia. We'll change later. Now change the diameters. Diameter is 25. Close and try to draw the one circle at center point. With PC 30, make it 25. Perfect. Close it. Finish. Click on finish. Extrude in reverse direction up to 10. Apply. Yeah, now we need to add the color for this. For that one, right click on mouse, special color, select any one. Okay, apply. Same as it is for repeat for everyone. Yeah, the design of part 1 is over. Now we need to design the part 2. New, put as a model, click OK. Same again, select the extrude command, select the top view, sketch it, diameter is dash 23, close, click on finish, extrude the part up to 10 mm, yes, apply. Now we need to again select the extrude command, select the top view of the part, then try to draw the one circle with dia 35. Click on finish, extrude up to 2 mm, apply, again select the dash 1, yes, apply, again repeat the same operation for this one also. Again we need to draw the one circle on this face. Try to select the circle with the dia dia 35. Click on finish, extrude the part to 2 mm, click OK. Same again, repeat the operations. Click OK. Yeah, part 2 is also over. Now we are going to assemble the spinner. Click on new, it has assembly. Click OK. Select the spinner. Put as absolute origin. Apply. Now we need to insert the one bearing. The design of bearing is I will upload separate video how to design the bearing. If you want, check my channel. Add, browse it. Click OK. Here put as a move. Apply. Click OK. Not an issue. Assembly constraints, fit. Select these two parts. It will automatically select. Click OK. Now we need to give the distance. Select the assembly constraints. Put as a distance. Select the surfaces. Distance is 0. It will automatically. Again we need to insert the two bearings. Again add, close it, bearing, click OK. Yeah, click OK. Assembly constraints. Here we need to put as fit. Select the contact surfaces. It will automatically assemble. Click OK. Again we need to repeat the same operation. Click OK. Assembly constraints, fit. Select the contact surfaces. Click OK. Now we need to insert the another bearing. Same again. Close it. Model 1. It is nothing but a bearing. Apply. Cancel. We inserted another one. Apply. Click OK. Again try to select the assembly constraint. Put as a fit. Select the contact surfaces. It will automatically assemble. Now we need to insert the another cap. For that one, close it. Select the part. Click OK. Apply. Click OK. Then click OK, and then try to select the contact, put as a fit, and then select the contact surfaces. Okay, but now we need to give the surface distances. Select the distance, put as a distance here, and then try to select the surfaces which are in contact. Put as a 0. Yes. Okay. We did a mistake. assembly conditions, put as a distance 0, click OK. Again here also 0. Yes, perfect. It assembled perfectly. Click OK. The design of spinner is over. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, do subscribe to my channel.